big toe.
What is it? I can feel it. I can feel it.
Is that the big toe?
Show us how it works. Your alligator. Graham. Show us how it works.
Squeeze the trigger.
Where'd you get that?
From the gift shop.
Where?
Aquarium.
Gift shop at the aquarium?
Oh, there goes. Roll it back. Can you roll it? No, don't roll it.
Whoa. Yeah, like that. Roll it.
Like that.
Or like that.
They're not rolling. Ellie, can you move over? Just in the middle.
Come this way, just a little bit. Oh.
Not all the way.
Too far.
Too far.
Go back
Come
to your
back.
side.
Come back. Okay.
There.
Very good. Roll it.
Roll it again. Yeah, roll it.
Whoa. Gentle.
Ellie, what?
Gentle.
Oh. You get her in the face that time.
Do it so she can catch it, please.
Just
Don't
roll
hurt
it.
her.
Just roll it. That way she can catch it. Roll it.
There you go, Ellie. Throw it to him. Let him have it. Let him have it. There you go.
Ooh,
Good girl.
That was right too.
Follow through and everything. Nice.
Huh?
Follow through and everything. Yeah. That a girl.
See, she finally got you this time.
Ellie, you gonna take care of Mara's hair? Gonna help her with her bed head?
Graham.
Whose camera is that?
It's mine.
Okay.
What are you drawing, Mara?
I did not need that photo. I needed that photo.
Mara, what are you drawing?
Tell me, why'd you
I'm
break it?
doing whatever my
Are we just
sister
gonna eat this first, and then if somebody wants something else, make something else?
Sure.
Do you want toast?
French toast.
No, we're not making French toast. I don't know. I figured that'd be enough.
Is that the only way she can get the paper off? Is she actually took it and broke it?
Did she?
No.
I guess.
She broke the orange too. Eleanor. You break every single train.
What's everybody drawing?
I'm drawing what my sister of the sun.
Oh, the sunset. Very good,
I'm
Aubrey.
drawing a picture of the sunset too.
Okay. Very cool. Graham, what are you drawing? You making dots? Oh, careful though. And Ellie is peeling the crayon apart. Paper off her crayon.
That's ready to go.
She's an artist.
You're smart. Wow.
I see it. It's pretty. What are you doing, Miss JC?
Start drawing, Graham.
Did you have oh, where's JC? There she is. JC, what'd you have for breakfast? Did you have donuts? Donuts. JC, you having a good time?
No.
Yeah. Good. I'm glad you came.
Did you tell Mom about it?
I can roll over.
All right. Tell her, what did we do at the beach house?
Hot
Hot tub.
What else did we do at the beach house? What's down there? What's down
beach.
the ocean?
We went to see the ocean.
And what did we do? 4 things we did away from the beach house. Where did we go?
Sea lion cave.
Tell Mom.
Tell Mom.
Sea lion cave and aquarium and the lighthouse.
One more. What else?
And do buggy.
Yeah, dune buggy rides, but you're still asking to do again. We're gonna have to do this again sometime.
So that's how we're going to remember what we did this week.
It's a pretty good week, right, G?
That's a lot of stuff in a week.
Where's Mom? Can you go sit over on your side and wave to her? Go
Mom's,
sit over in your seat and turn around and wave.
Mom's taking pictures.
Swim over.
He knows.
Swim over. Yay.
Are you swimming?
I have
Just a little. Turn around and wave.
cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Hi, Mom.
All right.
Mama.
Uncle Joel's gonna do the roasting tonight.
Too windy today.
It's a little too windy. We don't want anyone to get hurt.
Say so.
Right here.
Are you guys gonna eat s'mores?
Yeah?
Okay.
I think they're done.
Sit down, I said.
No, stay here.
No.
Stay here. I'm just taking pictures.
No! Go away.
You go stand by Uncle Joel
Just saying.
and help him. Go stand by Uncle Joel. We making some s'mores tonight? Yeah. S'mores.
You wanna get a couple crackers out?
Yep.
I like s'mores.